YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. You can click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. I can't believe how fast this year's going. It's already fall season coming up. And ooh, definitely an Amazon TyMate TPMS tire pressuring or tire pressure monitoring system. Fast leakage alarm, high-low alarm, high temperature, real-time individual tire data. Ooh, this is fancy. Check them out right there also. But like I said, they're definitely on Amazon. This would be a nice little Christmas gift, you know, stocking stuff for a maybe birthday gift, Father's Day, you know. Or you could buy your son for his first car when he gets his license. You never know. Especially if you're going to be doing a lot of traveling this year. I mean, 2023. This year's almost done, guys. We made it. It's been an interesting one, that is for sure. But definitely we'll test this thing out. We got a cigarette adapter. Just plug it in. Pretty cool. We got some nuts and bolts. Or just bolts. Right there. I got some washers, a plate. Then there's a wrench. We have here a window suction thingy. Where's the unit? Something here. And, oh man, my phone's gonna die. Got one of these things. Okay, here's the for your tires. Oh, here's something else. Gotta charge my phone. You got left, right, right, left to left, left, right, left, right, left to right. So you put these on your tire. Right there, you twist the cap and you pop it in. I'll show you guys in a minute. I gotta charge my phone. I'll be right back. Guys, we are back, and now I got the keys to the Jeep. Vroom, vroom. So it's in this little bag. And bavoosh. Nice little screen right there. It's pretty cool. This would be a nice like Father's Day gift or first time drivers. Or just a normal Mother's Day also. Birthdays. Here's the buttons set. Plus minus. USB goes there. That would be for this. There you go. This is where you plug in the back. Alright. No, not quite. Come on, baby. Sure. I have no clue. Why won't you go in? Ah, there we go. Gotta slide it down a little. Here we go. So I think I'm going to have to plug this into the car. Yep. I'm going to twist this and then we'll go into the garage. Should be fun. Don't say I don't take you guys anywhere. Here we go. But definitely if you're going on like road trips, vacation, this would be a nice thing to have with you just in case. Plug it in like that. Plug it into the car. We're going to need this. Don't need that. Don't need that. This is a dust cover. We're good to go on that. This is you for that mount. Yeah, because you just mount it any which way you want. That's full swivel. And also the clip. The suction. Right there. So that's good to go. But like I said, what I'm just going to do for a quick video. And here's the main parts we need for this video. Got the keys. Good. Alright guys, here we go. Don't mind the car. I got to detail it tonight. Plug it in. Sure. There we go. This, here we go. So we got that looking like that. I have the light on my phone, so that's why it's like a lot of clear coming through it. It's usually a lot cleaner. This is your bar. Set. 12 volt. Okay, now for there, I'm gonna put it right. Oh geez, everything falls. Gotta find a spot. But if you had a suction cup, you could put it anywhere. Oop. Right there's fire. Good for now. Grab one of these. This is what the bottom looks like. And alright, now the last one's reading 39. Can make it brighter. $39, $26. So everything's good to go. As the way you want to have it. And like I said, you guys can get one of these at a low cost. All you gotta do is click that link down below, add it to your cart, check out now. TyMate tire pressuring monitor system. Get them now before they're gone. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night.